Hi there, and welcome back. If you want to increase your average order value without adding friction to your checkout, there's a very simple feature you can use: online tipping. Online tipping lets customers optionally add an extra amount to their order directly on the checkout page. When positioned correctly, it can generate additional revenue without changing your product. So let's see how it works. Open your Checkify Plus admin panel and go to the Customization tab. Here, under the Page Settings section, you can enable the tipping option. Now, customers will be able to add a tip as a custom value in currency, meaning they can choose how much they want to contribute. You can also customize the text that customers see. To do this, go to the Localization tab and under Language Choice, select Tipping. In this section, you can edit how the text is displayed, and just make sure to save your changes. That's it. Now let's take a look at how it appears on the checkout. To do this, open any checkout link from the Buy Links section. As you can see, there is now an additional block above the payment method where users can add a tip before completing their purchase. It's so simple, and by enabling online tipping, you create an additional revenue stream that works on top of your existing sales, without affecting the core checkout flow. Feel free to save this video if it helped you set up online tipping in Checkify, and let us know if you want guides for more features. We'll cover those next. And I remind you, if you are already selling on Shopify, you can unlock this same high-converting functionality while retaining all the benefits of the Shopify ecosystem by installing Checkify Pro on your store.